Okay, so we got this situation to handle. So we have to integrate from minus pi to pi. So you know that you got question that belongs to this category, minus a to a f of x dx, and this can be written as 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. So this property you have to apply over here. Okay, this means whenever you will see minus a to a, just apply this property without thinking about anything else. Okay, so we have a 0 to pi mod pi minus mod x plus mod pi minus mod x. Okay, now look at this very carefully. 0 to pi, you know that this thing will become same thing. Okay, so doesn't really matter to the first component, mod x pi. Now you know that mod of minus 2, like suppose I am taking a number minus 2, it will become 2 only. Okay, or mod of 2 is equal to 2. So both situations are same. So we can write here pi minus mod x, means if you have minus inside the mod, you can remove that minus directly without simplifying things. So you got both situations to be same. Now can I write this thing as integrate 2 times integration from 0 to pi mod pi minus mod x dx. Now be very careful. So you know that this limit is for x, means x is ranging from 0 to pi. So it's a positive number. So if x is a positive number, so we don't require mod over here. Okay, because it's a positive, so it will open directly. So 2 times integration from 0 to pi mod pi minus x dx. So we get rid of this mod. Now look at the next part. If you will take any number in the given room 0 to pi, the number will be smaller than pi, means this pi is bigger. You know that mod opens with positive sign, so I can write this thing as bigger minus smaller dx. Okay, so this is the question we have created. Now let's do the integration part. So 2 times, you know that integration of pi will become pi x minus x square by 2, and then you have to apply the limit 0 to pi. Okay, now let's do the simplification part. So we have, if we will substitute pi, so it will become pi square and then minus of pi square by 2. Okay, so this thing upper limit is done, minus lower limit. So if you'll substitute lower limit as 0, this thing will become 0, x is 0, so pi x will become 0. Here also it will become 0. So you have bracket which will look like this. So pi square minus pi square by 2 will become pi square by 2 into 2. So we will be having pi square. So the definite integration of the given question is pi square. I hope the idea is clear, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations as well. Okay?